Setting the 7-day program. First of all, I'm going to write out the program I would like on a piece of paper, like this. This will help me when I'm in programming mode. There are 6 programming steps, and for the week program I would like it to come on at step 1 at 7 o'clock in the morning to target temperature of 19.5. Step 2 at 30 to go to a background temperature of 15. Step 3, 11:30, again 19.5. And step 4 at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 15. Step 5, 5:30 in the evening, up to 20 degrees. And then step 6 is at 10:30. I'd like no heating throughout the night, and I'd like this the same for Monday to Friday. For the weekend program, I'd like to maintain the factory set program. And you'll see here it only uses 2 steps. Step 1, 8 o'clock in the morning at 21 degrees, and at 2300 hours, 11 o'clock at night at 4 degrees. And the other program steps are cleared, therefore they have no effect. Once I've written that out, I can go into programming mode by pressing these 2 buttons together. And here you can see program is flashing. And using the quick adjust buttons, I can scroll around my different program steps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start on Monday at program 1, just because I find this easier to start at the beginning of the week. Program 1 is flashing. Now I want to change the time, so pressing select I can go to the time. When time is flashing, I can change it using the quick adjust. So my first time was 7 o'clock. My target temperature is 19.5, so using select, I go to target temperature, and that is now flashing. I can adjust it with my quick adjust buttons. Pressing select again, I go to program. Program 1 is correct, I can move on to program 2, which is at 8:30, it is correct, so the time is correct, but I would like background target temperature of 15 degrees. Pressing select again, I move to program. Just check that program 2 is what I wanted. Then I can move on to program 3, which is at 11:30. So press it until the time is flashing, and then I can adjust that to 11:30. And the target temperature I want at 11:30 is 19.5. Pressing select again, program is flashing. I can check that program 3 is what I want. Moving to program 4. Program 4 I want at 1300 hours, so time is now flashing. I can change it using the quick adjust to 1300. And the temperature I want at 1300 is 15. Pressing select again, program 4, I can check that it is what I want. Yes, I can move on to program 5. Now you'll see here that program 5 has been cleared. I can unclear it by pressing this button. You can see now that program 5 is automatically taken on program 4, which is the last time I programmed in. So I want to change that. So program 5, I want to change the time. So time is now flashing. I can set that to 17:30. And the temperature I want at 17:30 is 20 degrees. Program 5, just check that. Yes, now move on to program 6. Again, you will see that it's cleared. I want to unclear it, so I press this button. And now program 6, I want to change the time to 22:30. So again, time is now flashing. I can adjust it to 22:30. And the target temperature I want is no heating. I take the target temperature down until I see this symbol here, which means no heating. So pressing select again, program 6, I can check that that's what I want, and when I'm happy with that, I'm going to just use the quick adjust buttons just to check that all my program steps are the same as what I wrote down. Yes, I'm happy with that. Now, instead of doing that for every day of the week, I can copy day. So I'm happy with Monday, and if you remember, I wanted my program steps to be the same for Monday to Friday. So I'm going to use the copy day feature. Pressing copy day, I can copy Monday to Tuesday. Yes, press copy day. Copy to Wednesday. Copy to Thursday. And copy to Friday. I don't want to copy to Saturday, so now I'm going to get out of copy day feature. Now, using again my quick adjust buttons are flashing with program, so I can use those to scroll through all my programs to check that everything is as I programmed it, and I have all my program steps. Saturday, you will see that at 8 o'clock in the morning it comes on at 21, and at 11 o'clock at night the target temperature is 4, and that's all the other program steps are cleared, and Sunday is the same, and that's the factory set program, so I don't need to make any changes to those. So I'm happy with my program. I can press OK. That's my program saved, and I've returned to the normal screen. And the program is now stored in the non-volatile memory, so it remains unaffected even when replacing the batteries.